Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, I will continue the video series of the complete SQL tutorial, which is this video is 74 video. So if you didn't get a chance to watch all the video 1 to 73, please go ahead and watch on my YouTube channel. And if you not install my mobile application, please install Study IT Education. And you can also enroll all these courses on this mobile application as well. So in this video I will start discussing the normalization and denormalization, and also the next video I will discuss first normal form, second normal form, and the third normal form. So normalization is a very important concept for the data warehouse, and if you have the profile for the database development or the MSBI profile, even data analyst also some interviewer asking the question related to normalization. So this concept is very important for the interview point of view. You definitely you will get the question, theoretically question related to normalization and denormalization. So I will discuss in the detail the concept of the normalization and denormalization. So basically what you understand the normalization and denormalization. So before starting the video, so if you not like this video, please hit the like button. This is my request to each and everyone. And if you not subscribe, please subscribe the channel as well. So basically whenever we talk about the relational database, so a relational database management system is a relational model. Basically all the table are in the form of the relation. So they basically will be created with the relation by using the primary key and the foreign key concept. And all the relational database, like example SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, this all are the DBMS. So basically what is the database normalization and database denormalization? So basically normalization is the opposite of the denormalization, and same the vice versa. The normalization is the process, okay, so normalization is the process that helps the database designer here. So if you are database developer, you will get the already database in the normalized form. But if you are the database designer, to design a relational database with the minimum redundant data. So what is the minimum redundant data? Minimum redundant data is the nothing is a duplicate data, minimum duplicate data. So here we have the clear understanding that if your database is the in the normalized form, so database we have the minimum duplicate data. So if we have the minimum duplicate data, in the sense we saving the database space, we optimizing the database, even the data we can retrieve frequently and very easy way from the database. So that is the reason each and every database we have in the normalized form, and also we can retrieve the correct data, we can insert the correct data, and we can also update the correct data. Okay, so to follow the normalization process, we need to follow the normalization form as well. So basically we have the 6 normal form, the first normal form, the second normal form, the third normal form, and the BCNF, 5NF, and the 6th normal form. So whenever we have the database are in the third normal form, so the database get normalized. Okay, so I will discuss in the detail till the third normal form, because this is the normal form only we use into the practical scenario. So why we require the normalization? So let's consider this table. I have this employee table here. So we have the employee name, designation, salary, dress, city, project assigned. So suppose if you have the requirement to update the data of the project assigned to ERP, or retrieve the data which is the project assigned the ERP. So you can see this table is not the normalized. So you can see ERP here repeating 2 times, and employee 3 working in the both projects. So we have the duplicity of the data. Okay, so if you have the get the information, the employee information which working on the ERP project. So if you write the code, select star from table name where project assigned to ERP, so you will get the employee ID 1 information, okay, but employee ID 3 information you will not get. The reason is this employee ID 3 is working in the multiple project. So this is the disadvantage of the denormalization. So we'll discuss in the next video how we can normalize the database, and also how we can normalize the from 1 to 3 normal form. So if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can ask on the video description, and if you not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.